Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use heat maps like this to improve your local SEO and your local presence so you can get more people into your business. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share a cool tip on how you can get these created for free for your marketing agency clients or for your own business. So watch until the end and I'll show you exactly what you can do to get free heat maps like this for your business. All right, so what we're looking at right now is a heat map for a restaurant for the keyword lunch. And if you're not used to reading these heat maps, basically what each of these numbers represent is how well the business is ranking. And so right here for the keyword lunch, which you can see here, this business is showing up in the number 7 position, meaning there are 6 restaurants that are ranking higher for them when someone right there on Earth searches for the keyword lunch on their phone. And I'm referring to going to Google and typing in lunch, or Google Maps and typing in lunch. Okay, and then over here, for example, they're not ranking in the top 20, which means they're not seen, although really anything that's worse than 7 means they're not seen. So they're not getting seen in anywhere but this area right here. All right, so if we keep looking down, we can look at other keywords. So for example, wings, they sell buffalo wings. They're ranking a little better. So everyone in this area will probably see them and then contemplate going to them, although they still haven't cracked the top 3 nut. But let's say that they wanted to start getting customers from this area here, because maybe this is where a lot of people live and they know that if they can rank higher in that area, then it'll drive a lot more customers to them. Then what they can do is start to include this keyword in their marketing efforts and do some other things, which I'll share. So let's just say that this area was called Virginia. It's not, but just for simplicity, let's say this area is called Virginia. What they can do is start to put out content on their website and their Google business profile that mention wings in Virginia, which will just educate Google that this business really cares about that area. And so you might put out a post that uses the search term wings in Virginia. You might put a question on your profile, or you might also geotag an image of wings and upload it to your photo and geotag it for somewhere like right here, using the IP coordinates of this area. The other thing that you might do is create a page on your website where the title tag, the meta description, and the H1 all use the keyword wings in Virginia. Again, giving Google the indication that you sell wings in this area and that that area is important to your business. The last thing that you can do to help you get more customers from this area or over here or wherever else you're trying to rank is make sure you get customer reviews from here. So if you're located, let's say right here, and you're driving your meals all the way to the people over here, and you deliver it to a house right here, if this person leaves you a positive review, it's going to show Google that people in that area like your food. And so they're going to be more likely to show you to people in that area. And if that review mentions wings, you're going to be even more likely to show up when someone types in the keywords wings in whatever area that person left a 5-star review that mentioned wings. Okay. So now let's talk about how you can get this for free. If you want to get 5 free heat map audits like this every single month, then what you can do is head over to the website merchant.com, spelled MERCHYNT, and then go to Solutions and go to Heatmap Auditor. Then what you do is you click Check Your Rankings, and it'll bring you to that exact tool that I just showed you, where you can do 5 free audits every single month. And if you want a more serious audit, you can just click on this button here that says Audit Your GMB, and it'll actually tell you step by step what you need to do to optimize your Google business profile so you can rank higher in more local search results. So both of them are very good options. And if you want an extra 50 credits, then please comment in the section below, and we will give you 50 free credits for this tool. So instead of just being able to do 5 free ones this month, you'll be able to do 55. So just put any comment below and like this video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll hook you up with a bunch of free credits so you can better figure out where your profile is ranking today so you can work on improving it for tomorrow. Thanks a lot.